Hello everyone, today I want to share my views on English grammar. In English grammar, I want to share my views on active passive voice. But as you know that active passive voice are very important topic in English grammar. So before starting the topic of active passive voice related to the tenses, I want to share my views on what is voice. What is voice? What do you think? A voice is a form of verb which tells us the action is done by subject itself, or it means that subject is active here. Whether sometimes subject perform his duties directly here, and sometimes subject perform his duties indirectly here. It means subject is passive here. In other words, I want to say that subject and object are interchanged here. For example, Rohan takes tea. Whether I write here he, but I take the example Rohan takes tea. Rohan is perform his duty directly here, so Rohan is subject here. And in the other sentence, tea is taken by Rohan. Rohan is performed his duty indirectly here, so Rohan is object here and tea is subject here. Now the types of voice. There are two types of voice: active voice and passive voice. As usual, I told you that in active voice subject is active, and in passive voice object is active and subject is passive. For example, she is singing a song. She is subject here, a song is object here, is singing is helping verb. So she is singing a song. She is subject here, so subject is active here. वह गाना गा रही है, so it is a active voice. Number 2, a song is being, it is its passive form. A song is being sung by her is a passive voice. A song is here object, and she is changed in the form of her, so she is the object here. So object is active here and subject is passive here. Now some common rules for active and passive voice. Subject is changed into passive voice and vice versa. Subject किसमें change हो जाता है? Passive voice में. Number 2, pronouns get changed when they change their position in the following way. Pronouns भी change हो जाते हैं in the form of their positions. Just for example, I is changed into me, we is changed into us, you is changed into you, he is changed into him, she is changed into her, it is changed into it, they is changed into them. For example, I know him, he is known to me. He completes his work, his work is completed by him. She cooks food, food is cooked by her, like that. Number 3, the places of subject and object will be interchanged in the sentence. As I said earlier that the subject and object are interchanged here in the sentence. Number 4, only third form of verb is used in the active passive voice. In the passive voice, only third form of verb or past participle will be used as a main verb in passive voice. When the active voice is changed into passive voice, the third form of verb is used in passive voice, like that. Now, active and passive voice related with tense. Number 1, present indefinite tense or simple present tense. Before starting the tense, I want to tell you that there are 3 type of sentences: simple sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, like that. I have discussed it earlier in tense. But here the only 3 parts are used in the tenses. Number 1, simple present tense. The rules for using auxiliary in a sentence are: Okay, number 1, active voice, subject plus verb first form plus ses plus object, इट्स ए एक्टिव वॉइस. सब्जेक्ट है, वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म है क्योंकि ये प्रेजेंट टेंस है, सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस है. सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस में वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ एस और एस का प्रयोग होता है. ठीक है, बट जब इसे पैसिव फॉर्म में चेंज, वॉइस में चेंज किया जाएगा, देयर द हेल्पिंग वर्ब इज यूज्ड, इज आर एम is used and verb third form is used and by is used here. Okay, so ये कैसे चेंज होगा? ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस इज आर एम प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म प्लस बाई प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. सब्जेक्ट इज चेंज्ड इनटू ऑब्जेक्ट and in the place of verb first form verb third form is used and by is used here. Okay, now focus on some points here. Helping verb is rm is used, by is used here, verb third form is used here. Okay, some examples are given below. Number 1, she helps the poor. It's the active voice. Okay, she helps the poor. She is subject here, the poor is object here. सब ऑब्जेक्ट क्या बन जाएगा यहाँ पर? दी पुअर आर हेल्प्ड बाई हर. शी हेल्प्स दी पुअर का क्या बन जाएगा? दी पुअर आर हेल्प्ड बाई हर इज ए पैसिव वॉइस. आई नो हिम इज ए एक्टिव वॉइस. ही इज नोन टू मी, ही इज नोन टू मी इज ए पैसिव वॉइस. He writes a letter. He writes a letter. He is subject here. A letter is object here. So object पहले आएगा. A letter is written by him. A letter is written by him is a passive voice. Number 3, they sell books is a active voice. They is subject here. Books is object here. Object पहले आएगा. Books are sold by them is a passive voice here. Okay, so number is, it is a simple sentence. Number 2, negative sentence. As I discussed earlier, that negative sentences are those sentences where we attached not with helping verb in the sentence. Rules. Number 1, active voice. In before starting the rules, I want to say that in simple present tense, in negative sentences, do and does is used with not. Okay, with first form. Number 1, active voice, subject plus do does plus not plus verb first form plus object is in the active voice. In the passive voice, object plus is rm plus not plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Okay, some examples are given below. He does not write a letter. He does not write a letter. Here object is a letter, he is subject. When it is changed, it becomes a letter is not written by him. A letter is not written by him. फर्स्ट फॉर्म की के प्लेस में वर्ब की थर्ड फॉर्म आ गई विद द यूज ऑफ बाय. ए लेटर इज नॉट रिटन बाय हिम. नंबर 2, they do not sell books is a active voice. When it is changed into passive voice, it becomes books are not sold by them. Books are not sold by them. Books are object here and they is subject here. When the object comes in the first place, books are not sold by them. Number 3, interrogative sentences. Rules. Active voice. Here helping verb comes before the subject. Do does plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. In passive voice, is rm object से पहले आएगा. is rm plus object plus verb third form plus by plus subject. I repeated, is rm plus object plus verb first form third form plus by plus subject. Is rm plus object plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Okay, some examples are given below. Does he write a letter? Does he write a letter? Then what it becomes? Is a letter written by him? Is a letter written by him? Okay. Number 2, do they eat apples is a active voice. When it becomes in passive voice, it becomes are apples eaten by them? Because they किस में कन्वर्ट हो गया? them में. apples क्या बन गया? object. are apples eaten by them is a passive voice. Now it is a simple present tense. Now present continuous tense. The rules of present continuous tense are in simple sentences. Rules. Here the rules are same, that helping verb is rm is used. Helping verb is rm is used. Verb first form is used. ing is used. Is a simple rules of present continuous tense. But when it changed into passive voice, इज़ारएम के साथ बीइंग का प्रयोग. इज़ारएम के साथ बीइंग का प्रयोग. इट इज सेम दैट सब्जेक्ट एंड ऑब्जेक्ट आर इंटरचेंज्ड. Okay, and verb third form is used, plus by is used here. Okay, so in simple sentences, active voice is subject plus is rm plus verb first form plus ing plus object. In passive voice में क्या बन जाएगा? object plus is rm plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Okay, now here the auxiliary verb used in passive voice is being, are being, am being. Some examples are given below. Here auxiliary verbs क्या लगेंगी? is being, are being, am being. Okay, is being is used in singular form, are being is used in plural form, am being is used with I. Okay, some examples are given below. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. A song is being sung by her. A song is being sung by her. A song is a object here. She is a subject here. It is interchanged, and with is being is used, and verb third form is used here. Number 2, they are eating apples. Apples are being eaten by them. Apples are being eaten by them. They is converted into them. Number 3, they are selling books. Books are being sold by them. Like that. Now the negative sentences in present continuous tense. In negative sentences, the rules are: number 1, active voice. In active voice, subject plus is rm plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Okay, is rm is used here, but with is rm not is used here. Verb first form is used, ing plus object. But when it changed into passive voice, object plus is rm plus not plus being is used after the not plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Okay, object plus is rm plus not plus being plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Some examples are given below. She is not singing a song. A song is not being sung by her. A song is not being sung by her. Number 2, you are not disturbing me. I am not being disturbed by you. You is converted into you, and me is converted in I. I am not being disturbed by you. Number 3, interrogative sentences. Here the rules are same. In active voice, is rm plus subject plus verb first form plus ing plus object. But when it changed into passive voice, is rm plus object plus being. Here being is used after the object plus verb third form plus by plus subject. Okay, some examples are given below. Is she singing a song? Is a song being sung by her? Is a song being sung by her? Like that. Number 2, is she helping me? Is she helping me? Am I being helped by her? Am I being helped by her? Like that. Number 3, it is a present continuous tense that I have discussed. Now, number 3, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. Here the rules are: auxiliary verbs used in passive voice: has been, have been. Okay. Number 1, simple sentence. Number 1, in simple sentence, active voice. Here has have is used plus verb, third form is used plus object. Subject plus has have plus verb, third form plus object. Number 2, when it changed into passive voice, it becomes object plus has have plus been plus verb, third form plus by plus subject. Okay. Now some examples are given below. Number 1, he has completed the work. He has completed the work. The work has been completed by him. He has completed the work. The work has been completed by him. Is a passive voice. Number 2, she has written 5 poems. 5 poems have been written by her. Number 2, negative sentences. Rules. Inactive voice. Subject plus has have plus not plus verb, third form plus object. Here not is used after the has have. After the helping verb, it means verb, third form is used plus object. In passive voice, when it becomes in passive voice, it changed into object plus has have plus not plus been plus verb, third form plus by plus subject. Object plus has have plus not plus been plus verb, third form plus by plus subject. Okay. In it, been is used after the not. Been is used after the not. Okay. Object plus has have plus not plus been plus verb, third form plus by plus subject. Some examples are given below. Number 1, I have not made some cakes. Some cakes have not been made by me. Some cakes have not been made by me. Here been is used after the not. Number 2, he has completed the work. He has completed the work. Now, in passive form, the work has not been completed by him. The work has not been completed by him. Okay. In interrogative sentences, rules. Number 1, active voice. Has have plus subject plus verb, third form plus object. Has have used before the subject. In passive voice, when it changed, has have plus object plus been plus verb, third form plus by plus subject. Okay. Has have plus, I repeated, has have plus object plus been plus verb, third form plus by plus subject. Some examples are given below. Here been is used after the object. Here been is used after the object, and verb third form is used, and by is used. Some examples are given below. Has she written 2 poems? Has she written 2 poems is a active voice. When it changed into passive voice, it becomes have 2 poems been written by her. Have 2 poems been written by her. Have 2 poems been written by her. Okay. Been is used after the object. Number 2, has she completed her work? Has she completed her work? When it changed, has her work been completed by her? Been is used after the object. Now there are some important points that I want to discuss with you. The sentence of following tenses can't be changed to passive voice. कुछ tenses ऐसे होते हैं जो कि passive voice में change नहीं होते हैं, which are present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense, future perfect continuous tense, future continuous tense, sentence having intertransitive verb. Okay. So here I have discussed active passive voice with present tense. Okay, so hopefully you like this video. Okay, and please share my video, like my video, and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.